Good morning, students. Today we are going to draw the sectional view of the hexagonal prism. So here one of the question is given. So let us read that question first. A right regular hexagonal prism, edge of base 30 mm and height 75 mm, is resting on its base on ground such that one of its base edge is parallel to VP. A cutting plane perpendicular to the VP and inclined to HP at 45 degrees meets the axis at a distance of 10 mm from its top end. Draw its front view, sectional top view, sectional side view and true shape of the section. So it is very important to understand the question clearly. So base edge is given, that is 30 mm here. 30 mm is the length and total height is 75 mm. It is resting on the ground on its base such that one of the edges is parallel, and it makes an angle of 45 degrees with the horizontal plane, that is cutting plane is, and that cutting plane is passing through the axis line at 10 mm from the top end. So these are the conditions. Based on this condition, you just to draw the one of the rough diagram here. So this is the axis line, and one of the edges is given parallel. So you first draw the parallel line and then after complete the hexagonal shape by using the required lengths and angles, and then after from the draw the axis line, and then after project all the points, and this is the front view of your hexagonal prism. And over a height of at 10 mm from the top, 10 mm length from this point, through this point one of the sectional plane is considering and its angle of inclination is 45 degrees. So this is the condition of your given question. If it is given perpendicular, one of the edges perpendicular, then you have to start like this. So this is the perpendicular, this edge is perpendicular, here one of the edges parallel, so that you have to remember. And based on this we will draw the diagram. So here draw one of the axis line, so that is xy axis line. Below to that draw the top view, that is the hexagonal shape. So you can draw the hexagonal shape here. So that is the with one of the edge parallel. So this is the condition of that hexagonal shape with proper dimensions, and 1 2 3 4 5 like to give the numbering, and from all those points just extend up to a height of reference point, so to get the base of the front view. And same lines extend up to the 75 mm heights. So as the height of the prism is given 75 mm, then give the all numbers to the front view diagram. So this one point is seen here, and 2 and 6 over here, and 3 and 4 5 point, and this is the fifth point, and complete the shape of the front view. And then at this point on the axis line, so this is the axis line, and at the height of 10 mm from the top base, just to draw the sectional plane 45 degrees. So 45 degrees of sectional plane is drawn at that point, and it is given that, so to under this below only make the lines dark, because that is the front view diagram of that given condition. And then after just give total numbers to that cutting points on the edges of the prism. So this point is considered A, and over this point B and C is taking, and those can be represented on 2 and 6 lines. And when you come to the next point, that is here D and E, so this D and E is can be seen on the top edge, so that you can get by extending one of the line onto the top view diagram. So these are the D and E points. So in that way you can represent the points on the top view, and in between this starting point and ending point of these lines, this is the sectional top view. So under these two lines only you need to hatch. So by giving the hatching points, that gives the sectional plane. So in that way you can represent the sectional plane. And next coming to the side view, so that can be represented over here by drawing one of the reference line. So for that we need to extend these top view base points like this, and then after 45 degrees of lines, and then after 75 mm length, and from this sectional plane you can draw the all horizontal parallel lines and give the points to the base points 6, 1 and 2 over these base points. So 6 is here, 2 is here, 1 is here, 2 is there, and similarly 5, 4 and 3 are on the same lines, and the A point is here, and that can be seen from the top view diagram. So this is the point over here, and similarly you can also take the D point. So this is the D point, and in that way remaining points also represented B, C and E, and below to this line, so those points are dark lines from the side view. So these are the dark lines from the side view. Similarly this is the cut portion, and that cut portion has to need to be hatched, so that it gives the sectional side view. Without hatching you cannot say that sectional view. So by hatching only it is understood that that is the top view. And to get the true shape of that diagram, just need to draw one of the axis line parallel to this inclined line. So this is the axis line which is parallel to, and from this point just extend the perpendicular lines behind that axis, and then after measure the length of A from this reference point 0.1, and then transfer the same length from this reference point to here, cut that one, and similarly from the second reference point, so measure the length of C and transfer that C value there, and from the same point take the B value and transfer on the line. Similarly from the third reference point take the E value and transfer over here, and then D also, and join all those points. So that gives the true shape of that given diagram, and you can hatch that points, and this gives the true surface of that diagram. So here you can see, so this is the front view diagram, and this one is the sectional side view, and this one is the top view, and finally this is the true shape of that sectional plane. So total overall this is the views of the given hexagonal prism. So this is the class for the day. Thank you.